A very good afternoon to each and everyone. Today we discuss about meaning of inclusive education. Meaning of inclusive education. First, meaning of inclusion. Inclusion is the action or state of including or being included with in a group or structure. It also means the act of including someone or something as a part of group, etc. Inclusive education. Inclusion is in education is an approach to educating students with special educational needs. Under the inclusion model, students with special needs spend most of their time with non-disabled students. Inclusion rejects the use of special schools classrooms to separate students with disabilities from students without disabilities. First, meaning of inclusive education. Schools mostly frequently use the inclusion model for selected students with the mild to moderate special needs. Inclusive education does not separate general education and special education programs. Instead, the school is a restructure so that all the students learn together. Inclusive education does not separate general education and special education program. Instead, the school is restructured so that all the students learn together. Inclusive education is the process of strengthening the capacity of the education system to reach out to all the learners and can thus be understood as a key strategy to achieve education for all. Inclusive education is defined as a learning environment that promotes the full personal, academic, and professional development of all the learners, irrespective of race, class, color, gender, disability, sexual preference, learning style, and language. Principles of inclusive education. First, no discrimination with students. Next, equal educational opportunity to all. School adapt to the need of students. Equal educational benefits for all students. The students' views are listed to and taken seriously. Individual differences between students are a source of richness and diversity and not a problem. Practice of inclusive education. Understanding inclusion as a continuing process, not a one time event. Strengthening and sustaining the participation of all students, teachers, parents, community members in the work of the school. Restructuring the cultures, policies, and practices in schools to respond to the diversity of pupils within their locality. Providing an accessible curriculum and appropriate training programs for all teachers and students. Identifying and providing support for staff as well as students. Need and importance. To fulfill the constitutional responsibilities to enable children to stay with their families for the further development of healthy citizenship, for achieving the universalization, developing feeling of self-respect, for the use of modern technology, for social equality, self-reliance. Aims and objectives of inclusive education. Education for all, protection of rights, identification of skills, development of social consciousness, to prepare for new challenges, development of brotherhood, to improve quality of education. Problems faced by students: inferiority complex, lack of understanding, adjustment problems, isolated and segregated, lag behind, feeling of extra burden, insecurity, lack of expression, introverted nature, negative approach, and shyness. Role of the teacher: interaction with family to be able to solve their problem, to develop new learning strategies, to be able to develop self-confidence, to be able to provide special facilities, to be able to look after their personal needs, to able to recognize their hidden talents, to inculcate positive attitude in their able-bodied children. टीचर स्ट्रेटेजीज फॉर इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन, कोऑपरेटिव लर्निंग होना चाहिए, पीयर ट्यूटरिंग एंड मल्टी सेंसरी टीचिंग. Now, designs of classroom for inclusive education: size of classroom, teaching aids, restriction of time, arrangement of light, and attention to physical needs, special attention to disabled children. Thank you. Have a good day. यदि आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगे, प्लीज लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और कमेंट करें। द नेम ऑफ आवर चैनल इज द एजुकेशनल एंड स्पिरिचुअल कॉन्शियसनेस। थैंक यू, हैव अ गुड डे।